Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Triology Wonders and I am back with another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to do an electric border on CapCut for absolutely free. So you can have like your edit, your picture, whatever you guys decide to do with it. And you press effects and then you go video effects. And you don't need to go in any of these categories, it's on trending. But like see, if you go on frame, you can find all these, but since it seems popular, it's on the trending section. So you just press that. You can have the speed at 0, or you can have it moving at whatever speed you want. So let's do maybe like 40. And then you can have it so it's like a still border, so it's not moving. Just like that. Just by messing with the settings, you can have a border that's absolutely still. And obviously you can change the size of it to whatever size you want. And the intensity, so you could have it a little bit or you could have it all the way. Kind of whatever you guys want to do, whatever would fit. And obviously if you do this at the top, you can change the colour to whatever colour you want. They seem to have every colour. So yeah, that is how you do the electric border on CapCut. So if you did enjoy this video, make sure to like and subscribe and let me know what other tutorials you would like me to do.